I'm Nicole and I work with Chwarae Teg. We're here at Cardiff Bay at the Doctor Who experience for Chwarae Teg's AGM. So we're here with our Chief Executive, Joy Kent.
So we're at the AGM, and I think some people have been wondering why we at the Doctor Who experienced the AGM, but I think the fact that we had 140 people wanting to come is one really good reason to hold it here. I think AGMs are always about time, that you're looking back at 1 year, you're in another year, and you're also looking forward to the future and how you're going to build on the successes of the past and what the future is going to look like. So very much about time, so we can see a natural link there. And also, I think Doctor Who is very much about technology, and a big thing for us is women in STEM, in science, technology, engineering and maths. So I think, again, there's a link there, you know, because we really want to encourage more women to think much more broadly about the kind of role they might have in society, the kind of work they might want to take on. So I'm really looking forward to it.
We're here with Chwarae Teg's PR and Marketing Manager.
It's a really good evening for us. It's our AGM, and most importantly tonight, or part of what we're doing tonight, is introducing our new Chwarae Teg Supporter. This is going to give businesses and organisations the opportunity to become a supporter of Chwarae Teg, and depending on the size of their enterprise, we'll accept from them very kindly a donation. That donation, of course, we use to put towards our work, which is helping women in Wales to achieve and prosper. So this is a fantastic opportunity. It also allows those businesses to show to the world that they believe in gender equality. They want to see the women that work for their business achieve and prosper. They want their skills to be progressed throughout the organisation. There's a lot of work to do, but with the supporter package that we offer, it actually helps them. Part of that actually includes a whole day of support from us, so we can go into that organisation, have a look at how they're currently operating, see what their key priorities are, and help them to understand how they can better engage with women in the organisation, how they can help to make plans to ensure that they can bring more women into the organisation, to help them to be promoted, to help to get them into more senior roles. So in a nutshell, that's Chwarae Teg Supporter.
Chwarae Teg's vision is a Wales where women achieve and prosper. What do you think are the biggest challenges facing working women in Wales at the moment?
I think one of the challenges is maybe that we don't think big enough. Maybe we cap ourselves on Wales, and maybe we should think beyond Wales. We should go UK, well, at least across the bridge, across the UK, and we should go global. Because why shouldn't we? I think we shouldn't confine ourselves to Wales. We should just think bigger and just go for it.
What do you think are the greatest challenges facing women in Wales at the moment?
I think finding roles that are challenging enough to grow into. So I work in a mobile technology development studio, so we develop mobile apps. And there aren't very many of those sort of roles and all those sort of positions around. And I think we need more of those. I think we need more of those organisations so we can inspire the next generation of people coming into them, but particularly have somewhere that we can bring particularly people that are young girls looking to take their choices around their STEM subjects, and we can kind of show them the various roles that they can have.
I'm here with Sarah from AIC Steel, who are our first corporate supporters. So Chwarae Teg's vision is a Wales where women achieve and prosper. What do you think are the greatest challenges facing working women in Wales at the moment?
Well, taking it into our industry in particular, which is manufacturing and engineering, I think the biggest challenge is making them aware that those positions are out there. Those positions are available, but unfortunately at the moment there isn't enough of an avenue to actually get that message out there. So as we are now a supporter, as of today, we're really excited working with Chwarae Teg to make sure that our policies and everything like that is equality, gender neutral, and we're also going to hopefully get more women into the business and more women interested in engineering in general, not necessarily with AIC Steel. So.
My view is that we need to encourage more diversity in the sector in terms of getting more women into non-traditional roles, such as working in the construction industry and in engineering. There's only 1% of women working in manual trades, and for me I think this is part of the bigger picture to encourage directors to take an active approach in ensuring that diversity happens across the board. In turn that will help with increasing women's salaries, and it will also help with the bottom line in terms of businesses thriving. So
brilliant, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.